Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys 3 different Dollar Tree DIYs for Easter and spring. So the first DIY is going to be with this tinsel egg from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some of their burlap in this little blue color, and then this big giant roll of burlap that I got through Burlap Fabric, but you can always purchase your burlap from the Dollar Tree if you choose to. And then I'm just going to tear all the tinsel apart on here, so then I have a little fresh canvas to start adding the burlap through. I have done quite a few of these, but if you're new to my channel, I love tearing this tinsel apart out of these little decorations from the Dollar Tree, and then I just take my burlap and then I start looping it through the bottom, and then I only have to do this once, so I just go all the way through these little holes. And then I did start using this burlap. Like I said, this is from Burlap Fabric. They have these giant rolls. It's 100 yards for like $13, and I love the quality of this burlap. It's so thick and nice. And then I started using the Dollar Tree burlap because I was trying to make a pattern and then have the middle be this like teal color. But if you can tell the difference of how sloppy it looked, I did not like the way the Dollar Tree burlap looked compared to the other. So I did end up tearing that apart and then just doing a little brown shaped egg. I didn't want the burlap that I purchased from the Dollar Tree to go to waste, so I did just cut it and just put it through in sections just so it brought some color out to this wreath. I didn't want everything to be really plain and brown, but I did want it to have that farmhouse type style. And then I did have these berries left over from a while ago from another DIY, so I decided to cut them and just put these in the middle of the wreath as well. I just thought this looked super plain for Easter, and I just wanted a tad bit of color, and well, white and teal I guess were my colors.
Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before.
This next DIY is super easy. I have made plenty of these in the past, but I really like these. I'm just going to use a candle plate and a candle holder and some Waverly chalk paint in white. And I did start out painting this, and then I changed my mind and spray painted it with white. And then I took my hot glue gun and some E6000, and I just put the candle holder underneath the candle plate to make a little cake stand or a little cupcake stand, or I just think it's a little decorative stand. And then I just added a little bunny on here with a Dollar Tree floral and one of those little twine carrots from the Dollar Tree. And then this little jar I have had left over from Christmas or Valentine's Day. It's from Valentine's Day. And I took all the hearts and everything out of it, and I used these little eggs that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then all these little balls, these were left over. I've had these for a long time, but I know you can still get them at the Dollar Tree. And I thought this was really easy. I just took the white balls and the eggs, and I just put them in this jar. And this was such a simple, fun little DIY decor piece to do. And I don't want to ruin the eggs. I don't know why. I have just like such a love for them, I guess. That sounds so weird. I can't believe I just said that. But anyways, I like them, and I just didn't want to put glue on them and ruin them. So I thought this was such a fun, little, simple DIY for those. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.